Hi, I'm John, and I had a book about 3D printing, specifically about reskilling yourself and joining the 3D printing movement that is happening around the world. It wasn't until a year ago when I lost my job that I just felt underskilled, so I spent the past 6 months learning about the 3D printing movement. Are you curious about 3D printing? Would you like to know if the technology is relevant and how it may be monetized? If so, then this book is for you. It's amazing how far time advances things. Printers seem to be behind for the most part. We had color and photo printers, but not much else until this new technology emerged. 30 years ago, computers were fairly common in the enterprise, but very expensive and beyond the reach of most people. However, at that time, a bunch of geeks were building small, affordable computers in their garages. These first affordable computers were limited, but now there is a computer on every desk, and many of the original computer geeks became very, very wealthy in the process. 3D printing is at the stage computers were 30 years ago. This is a technology on the verge of exploding, and I will show you how to use it and succeed. First, I will explain in detail all of the 3D printing related technologies currently available on the market. Second, I will give you practical advice on how this technology can be leveraged as a successful business in today's economy. I will show you how to make money with 3D printing while working at home. I will explain how 3D printers can be used to generate income. I will also show you how a wide range of niche markets are currently making money with 3D printers. In addition, I will identify many unfilled niches that are still wide open. What are 3D printers all about? How can they be used to make money? What does the immediate future hold for this amazing technology? The possibilities are endless. I hope that you decide to join us.